Here, look, I have found something for the cause of water in the diesel filter or the diesel tank. So this is something from the it is a German product. Well, branding. So anyway, I'm gonna have a test to see whether the diesel, the water can be dissolved by having a chemical, having this chemical mixed with the diesel. So this is what I have been using so far. It's doing it pretty good, but I have never tested with the water separations. And there is the same products comes for the diesel and the petrol. So we'll have a look at the how it gonna help us for the water in the diesel filters. So here I'm gonna take some diesel from a barrel actually. So we pour into maybe. Okay, now get some water. Millimeter manufacture here. So these are the water. So we're gonna put the water into that. Jesus. So here you can see the water has gone down because it's heavier than the diesel. Make it again. Milli. So we're gonna use the PRO-TEC GFD 2 milli into the same container or same test tube. Let us mix this. You just wait for a few minutes and see. So we have kept it for some times to dissolve the chemical with the water and the diesel, and the reaction is just gone down. So you can see sort of a powder kind of thing just on the bottom of the tube. So this is the reaction result, which has particles, which has with the water has broken into particles and then hardened them. So I really don't have a good lab to test it, but this can prove that the water will not flow through the injectors. But I'm going to use it in my vehicle and then see how long and then how confident to use this chemical.
So actually, before I fill in this chemical into the fuel tank, I just want to give a quick review of this product by reading in numerous the forms to understand the product itself. So what I found was this PRO-TEC GFD fuel protection diesel P1270. It's 75 it contains 75 ml of liquid. This they have made it for the complete fuel protection for the diesel engines, And actually what one of the forms it says is Gaurd Fill diesel keeps intake valves, injectors, and the combustion chamber is free of cox-like deposits while reducing the friction in the engine and protection all material or metal surface from the corrosions. The special combustions of highly effective additive in Gaurd Fill diesels. It can what it says is it can reduce fuel consumption by up to 3% and pollution emissions by as much as 35%. Moisture and condensations are removing. The foaming effect is contracted and the upper cylinder area is lubricated and protected, so keep the engine in a top conditions over the entire service life. So then I advise to add this right after the service of the engine. And there are a lot of advantages being highlighted on the product itself. So it is naturally not in the, it does not contain in the chemical container. So advantages like it reduces the nozzles fouling and prevents looks like deposits, excellent antiform properties, excellent protection against corrosions, increase the number of zens. So this is nice actually, because especially in Sri Lanka and I think in most of the other part of the world also we don't get the good quality diesels, especially in Sri Lanka. Actually, it's so sad to say, but that's a fact. So in that case, if it's increase the number of cents, I think it's better to use it. And also is protections of the fuel system from water and moisture. So this is something they have written, and they have given a guarantee that they will protect from the fuel system from the water and the moisture. So that is something it's going to be very effective for the these days issues I'm personally facing with most of the customers. And also it says improve the fuel stability and compatible with engine and fuel system materials. So then that means it will helps to keep and protect the injector pump, the whole fuel systems, including the injectors and etc. So and also this will they have given a good recommendations to use for the most of the diesel units, and it also suitable and compatible for the catalytic converters, and it suit the particles filters and turbochargers. So and also they have given a note add to the diesel fuel tank, not the mixing ratio. So what it means is also before you fill the diesel into the tank, you better put put this chemical into the diesel tank, so then it will have enough time to dissolve it. And also consumptions ratios what they have recommended is this contains 75 ml, because what this is 75 ml is very sufficient for the 8 liters diesel fuel. So that's the mixing rate is 1 to 1000. So exposure time is works while driving, and also it has given the technical specifications. I'll put everything on the description, so you can read and then understand more about the product. So I'll also share the safety data sheet, so you can have a look and then see it. Before I recommend this product, I'm gonna use it in my vehicle, and then I'm gonna understand the difference between it, and I'm gonna understand the advantage what they have mentioned on the page, and then see. I'll get back, guys, right after I put this product into the into my vehicle. So this is, they have a TUV board approval. So this is something in Germany. So unlike the I don't want to say it. So it's kind of a trusted product, because if the diesel and the water separation is can happen, so it can save a lot of injectors and injector pumps for Nissan Navara. Actually, I'm just looking at Nissan Navara, so I hope it will really help. Just stay tuned, guys, until I pour this into my diesel tank and then fill the diesel.
Yeah. Yeah, that one is not a gearbox, that's a switch. You want a switch? No working. It's good to put other stuff into this.
No, there are two different ones for the petrol and diesel. So I'm using for the diesel.
Yeah, how to open this vehicle now? I mean, not the vehicle. Yeah, remember to open this.
So in our vehicle, diesel is actually almost empty. So I'm going to fill the diesel in it.